Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video I just want to wrap up for the end of the year. This might be the last video of the year. It's a couple of days before Christmas, but I'm not sure if I'll get out between now and the end of the year. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who's viewed, subscribers especially, for subscribing to the channel, and everybody on my Facebook page. I've got a lot of traction on that as well. It's good just to interact. I don't really have a number to push to or anything like that, but I suppose every year I like to add to the viewers and, you know, keep the same viewers obviously from the years previous, and subscribers as well. But yeah, just want to say thank you very much. To be honest, brutally honest, I didn't get a lot of the places I wanted to go to this year. I got caught up with the road adventures and everything that was going on as well in my personal life and stuff like that. So I always aim to improve every year. So I want to go further this year in Ireland. I think I've said this so many times, but I will. Just to stretch into different counties that I haven't been to, and I'm going to do that from the start of next year. I want to get to different places and keep pushing on. And to know yourself, Achill Island is the one I want to be in or go to. So let's hope I can get to that as well. I want to try to do something like a Saturday night. I said it to you before. Go over Saturday night, stay in an Airbnb somewhere, an hour and a half up the road, because I have commitments on Sundays to get back. But I want to, you know, have a different life on Saturday evenings, and I want to have the bike there as well. So I want the bike to be with me and have journeys as well. So I'll finish work in the afternoon on a Saturday, head off to where I want to go, stay overnight, maybe pop in somewhere for lunch, dinner. Definitely pop in somewhere for lunch and dinner. Maybe have a pint or two, maybe not. But I just want to change it up for myself as well, and then I'll bring you along with me as well. So I'm going to head off today to Ballinaboola in Wexford. It's a bit cold out at the moment, but I'm going to head out the road anyway because the weather's fine. So I went out last night, got a nice soaking, but I don't care. It was worth it. It's always worth it when you get out on the bike. It only started raining when I was out, so it didn't matter too much. But yeah, I'm going to take you along with me today. Spin up the road, bring you up the road with me, then we'll have a chat at the garage as well, and then we'll see how the spin is going. Might pop in somewhere for a bit of food, might not, we'll see. Let's get our gear on, well, the rest of our gear on, and let's get out on the road. So that was a nice bit up the road, a cup of tea now. And I was talking about getting the front brakes done. I'm actually going to bring it forward, and I'm going to order them in January. So I'm going to order the EDC brakes and get them done on the front now instead of waiting to get it done. Was like be proactive and get it done. Also, seen on eBay a gel seat for the bike. The bike is trying to curve. The padding is really gone in it. So I was looking online then, it's just under 200 from the UK, from Speedy Triumph, and it's the Triumph Bonneville SE New Church seat is called. I put up a picture up here, over there, and so I'm going to go for that and just be proactive, because if I'm going to go on longer journeys, then I'm going to need a seat with more padding, because my ass will be a bit on that other one if I have that going for long journeys. So that's early plans for the end of January. Get them ordered in, and yeah, grand. It's actually getting very cold out. It's only about 30 minutes, 40 minutes up the road. But it's very cold as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my wet gear. So I'm going to use my wet gear as a windbreaker. It's just a layer to keep that wind chill. It's actually grand out, but it's the wind chill when you're on the bike on the way home. It's going to be very cold. Keep looking into this part because it displays the video. You should be looking into this part. But yeah, lovely spin up the road. Also, yeah, with the Road Adventures, I got 224 points, and I put a picture up here as well, and it will show you the points for the months. So I got 224 out of 270, so that gets the gold pass, so it has to be 200 or over. So it was a great year. So thanks very much to Erin if you're watching this video. She's fantastic. I don't know how she does the admin on it, but she's fantastic. My good friend Susan O'Brien, she's after showing me some load of tips and tricks on it, and yeah, I'd be lost without her on it. We swap different tips and tricks, but she has a lot more due to her experience on the bike and all that with the Road Adventure, so that's fantastic as well. And also Susan, welcome to Cloud Triumph. Susan has migrated over to Triumph, so she's part of the family now. So yeah, happy days. I'm going to finish off this tea. I'm going to get back on the road, but I want to wish all the subscribers, all the viewers, a Merry Christmas and a safe one as well. Have fun, and a Happy New Year, Happy New 2024, and enjoy all the festivities. So let's get on the road, and let's finish off the tea first, and then we get back on the road.